The next chicken wing recipe is going to be just kind of a classic buffalo wing with a little bit of a twist though. I like to add some additional things into my sauce. Classic buffalo sauce is simply butter and hot sauce. But for mine, I like to add a couple extra ingredients so that it gets a little bit of smoky and sweet taste. So I do have the hot sauce. I typically use Frank's. That's my favorite brand. Use whatever brand you like. I've got a half stick of butter here, about 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and then I'll put about a teaspoon of chipotle powder in the mix. To make this recipe, you're going to simply put all of those ingredients into the pot. I typically will wait on the sugar just until the butter's completely melted and that the butter, hot sauce, and chipotle seasoning have the opportunity to mix together. Then I throw in that 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, stir it so that it is completely mixed in, and this is what you get, this yummy buffalo sauce. To get these wings sauced up, I'm going to put them in a bowl that's large enough for me to shake them up a little bit, and then I'm just going to take a couple spoonsful at a time, get it on top of there, a little bit more. About midway, when I think that's enough, I'm going to shake them. Let that sauce get all over the wings and assess the situation. If I feel like that's enough, which I actually do, I think those are plenty saucy. I will also, whenever I serve these, I'm going to put a little bit of sauce on the side for those who want more. And I will also have blue cheese or ranch for people to dip in. So there you have your sweet and tangy buffalo wings.